What if the forest already knew your name before you were born? What if every missing hiker, every abandoned campsite, every unexplained scream in the night was connected to something that had been waiting beneath the trees for centuries? Not a ghost, not a monster, but an ancient intelligence. One that never sleeps, one that never forgets, and once it learns your name, you never truly leave. October 18th, 2027. The rain had stopped only an hour before sunset. Blackwood Forest stood silent beneath a gray sky, its towering pines disappearing into a blanket of mist. The air smelled of wet earth and decaying leaves, while the old wooden entrance sign creaked softly in the wind. Below it, someone had scratched another message into the wood years ago. Don't answer the whispers. Most visitors assumed it was a prank. The 5 filmmakers laughed as they unloaded their equipment. Emma Brooks, the documentary's producer, adjusted her camera and smiled. Perfect. If this place is really haunted, we'll finally have proof. Mark carried 2 backpacks filled with batteries and camera gear. I'll settle for getting enough footage to scare the internet. Liam unfolded a drone. Ghosts don't show up on thermal cameras. Tonight will prove every story is fake. Behind them, sound engineer Noah checked the microphones, while photographer Chloe captured wide shots of the forest entrance. None of them noticed the old ranger watching from his truck. He never smiled. He simply whispered to himself. They came too late. At exactly 7:43 p.m., the team crossed the weathered bridge leading into the forest. The moment the last person stepped onto the trail, every phone lost signal. GPS disappeared. Compass needles spun wildly. The drone briefly lost connection before recovering. Emma frowned. That's strange. Mark shrugged. Probably interference. No one believed in curses. Not yet. The deeper they walked, the quieter the forest became. There were no birds, no insects, no wind, only the crunch of boots on damp leaves. After nearly 30 minutes, Liam launched the drone. It climbed above the treetops and streamed crystal-clear footage back to the tablet. Then, the signal froze. The screen went black. For several seconds, nothing. Suddenly, the video returned. The drone was looking straight down at the team. Emma, Mark, Liam, Noah, Chloe. Then, someone else. A 6th person walked behind them. Tall, motionless, smiling. No one on the ground was there. Liam looked over his shoulder. The trail was empty. What the? He replayed the footage. The stranger remained, always exactly 20 feet behind them, always smiling. The team continued walking. No one spoke. The atmosphere had changed. The forest felt aware. Emma stopped. Does anyone else feel like we're being watched? This time, nobody laughed. As darkness settled over Blackwood Forest, their flashlights cut through the fog. The beams illuminated massive trees twisted into unnatural shapes. Some trunks almost resembled human faces. Others looked like hands reaching upward. Mark paused beside one enormous oak. There wasn't a tree here 5 minutes ago. Noah looked back. The path behind them had vanished. The trail was gone. Only endless trees remained. They tried retracing their steps. Nothing looked familiar. The GPS showed impossible coordinates. According to the satellite, they were standing in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. Liam forced a nervous laugh. Definitely a software bug. Then the laughter stopped. Because someone else laughed too. A little girl. Very close. Found you. Everyone froze. Emma turned slowly. Nothing. Only fog drifting between the trees. The voice came again. This time from another direction. Found you. Then another. Then another. The same voice. From everywhere. The forest suddenly echoed with footsteps. Not theirs. Dozens of them. Moving through the darkness. Keeping pace. Never getting closer. Never falling behind. Mark switched on his thermal camera. The screen displayed dozens of human-shaped heat signatures surrounding the team. But when he looked up, there was nothing there. The camera wasn't lying. Something invisible was walking beside them. Without warning, every flashlight began flickering. one by one, until only Emma's remained. Its beam landed on a line of figures standing silently between the trees. They were impossibly tall. Their arms reached nearly to the ground. Their faces had no eyes, only wide smiling mouths. None of them moved. They simply watched. Then, every one of them tilted its head at exactly the same angle. The sound of bones cracking echoed through the forest.